Hello guys. Today we are going to see what is the split method in string class. What does split method do in string class? So let's say we have a string over here. Let me define it. You all are learning Java, right? And in particular, we are learning strings. So let's say I am learning string in Java. Now, what we want to do is that we want to uh, take out these words like I am learning string in Java, and we want to remove these spaces. So what is the method that we have to use? That is split method. Let's see. We will do the practical here. Now we want to divide this string on the basis of a space. So this is a space, this is a space, this is a space, this is a space, and then this is a space. So on the basis of these spaces, this string will be divided. Now the return type of this string, as you can see, is a string array. So we will store this in a string array. Let's say string str. Now since we have stored all the words separately in this array, we want to print it and see if this function split is working properly or not. For that, we're going to use for each loop. So for each. By the way, guys, if you don't know what is for each and what is the regular for that we use, what is the difference between them, just comment me and I will make a video on that, because it's very, in industry, for each is widely used, and it is important if you want to get a job in the industry, in any IT industry. You must have the knowledge of for each. For loop, the general for loop, like we int I is equal to 0, and then condition, and then increment, and all that. We that is very basic. We should know that. We must know that. But for each, we have to have knowledge of for each loop. So this is str, which contains, this is str, this is the same str that is here. So this contains the actual material, and this is what we are going to store those materials into. So now let's just, we don't have to do much. Let's see so out, and let's see, and let's run and see if it's working. Yeah, see, you can see that we have divided this string into different words, and it has become a string array. If you don't want in different lines, then you can just use print. This is not giving any spaces, so what we're going to do, just add a space. And now let's run this. See? So I hope you guys like this video and you understood what is the split method. By the way, if there is anything, not only space, if there is anything like a hyphen is there, and you want to divide the string on the basis of this hyphen, and you can do that as well. Anything. and we have to give that here also. Yeah, let's see. It should give me the same result, right? So I hope you guys like the video. Please comment what you wanna see next, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.